Classics.
That's all from my house though.
This guy is like, oh, just show my lip. I get a little bit damaged now.
You cannot see it.
Oh, low now. He said, show my low.
I'm lower than you.
Oh, hey, fuck you, man. You're lower than me and your car works.
And it's supposed to be faster.
Oh, stay tuned for that. Ooh, what is up? Welcome back to the Basic channel. Still on this broken car that I own. And thanks to Jesus himself, we're gonna try and figure this out again. But we found top dead center, TDC, but something's not right. It's stuck somehow on the bottom of the chain. So we're gonna try and figure that out for right now. Micah's running on no sleep. We're kind of just winging it, crossing our fingers we can figure this thing out, and then I can finally move on and bolt everything else on. But I need the mastermind for this part. Isn't it funny how we always choose to work on the cars during the hottest time of the day?
Cool weather has to be hot or pouring.
And if you're wondering how come we don't have a tent, we had a tent, but
The wind broke it.
Hurricane Lane came and took it away.
Hurricane Lane did nothing.
So we literally tried to attack this thing like 8 different ways. It's still stuck. If you guys know how to get TDC again, help us out, comment below. We'll probably come back to this in a little bit, so see you guys then. Okay, we're back. He's back. Logan left.
Yeah, he was leaving once I got here.
Now we're still in the same spot trying to figure this shit out. So Micah's just manually cranking it. See if we can manually 360 this chain and then achieve top dead center after that. Screwdriver in the piston just to help us let us know the first piston is all the way at the top. And that's how we know that everything is lined up on this engine. So basically that chain thing that he's messing around with, that's the timing chain of the whole engine. So say we just throw it all back in together half-fast without like fully getting the correct timing for the car, it'll seize and lock the engine. So trying to do it how we think we should be doing it before we take off the entire thing again to get to the bottom of it. Because right now we think that chain is stuck on the bottom somehow. So we put the screwdriver in the first piston, and when we turn the whole chain it goes up and down. So when the first piston is all the way up, screwdriver pushes all the way up. Then you count these silver dots from this dot to that dot. And there's gotta be 20 in between.
1, ha 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 ha. 2, ha ha ha.
Oh, what? Making slow progress here, but everything's getting back on, baby. Spark plugs just spark plugs. Spark plugs just put in. What is that? Distributor. Can you do it or what? Challenge is to chug the first beer, shotgun the second.
Fucking Coors Light, Russ.
It's water.
It's nasty.
I don't even drink and I think it's water. Fuck, it's like ass. Okay, I swear I keep saying this, but I'm still trying to attack the intake manifold.
Unless your guy will punch and we just hammer this out with a quick pipe. There's normally a pin where you're supposed to put it in and it releases it.
Fuck. We're almost there. Just gotta put the cover on, put all these wirings back on. This whole harness. Small things and we're almost done. A few more days and this thing will be up and running. Picked up an extra sheet of gasket stuffs. Custom cut by Mahalo. It's getting late. We're always working from fucking morning to night. And then we gotta go back to work overnight and come back in the morning. Yeah, another update video on what we're doing. Taking step by step to try and get this thing back up and running. It's literally almost there. We're gonna try and bang out as much as we can tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna go over to Troy's house. Show you guys his 240.
I like how you said another 240.
Another 240.
There's a reoccurring issue here where it's all 240s.
And this guy on his way here ran over a cinder block.
Oh yeah, my fenders is fucked up right now. Headlight is boss.
Bumper is RIP.
Headlight is
Dunzo.
and my fender completely ripped off the car.
Yeah, but you know.
So no more Spocon for me next year.
More content.
I'm pushing the car off the bridge.
Fuck, off the cliff. So a lot of us, we have been having bad luck. So we're gonna keep trying to push through that and get our cars ready, man. Irritating. So here's the master finalizing the last bit of the gasket that we need to cut, custom cut for the exhaust. And
So,
of course,
just like we said, it's either raining or it's either sunny and hot as fuck. And right now, it's raining.
our streak with luck is just not going well right now.
Alright, thanks for tuning in. It's a short one. Got a bit of detail of what we did.
Just an update.
Yeah, just an update. Got somewhere today. But thanks for tuning in on this one. Next one's going to be Troy's car, which is actually going to be tomorrow.
Another 240.
Another 240, changing the clutch. And then that one should be good. There might be a collapsed piston ring. 50-50. So I'm going to do an old trick to see if it pops back up. And it'll be good. Besides that, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos. 450 subscribers, new giveaway. 2 winners both get jet tag, shirt, and a Team Basic sticker. So
Yeah.
stay tuned. Shoot!